Imagine earning at least $100 for every short form video that you created. I'm talking 15-second videos that take you no longer than 5 minutes to create. What's up, everyone? James Jernigan here with ShineRanker, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. I'm starting from the very beginning here, doing my keyword research using ShineRanker, which is going to expose trends that I can use to then monetize. So that's what I'm going to walk you through here in this process. I do have a few steps to show you here as we get started. So what you just witnessed was when I started the video, I asked ShineRanker to find me keywords for trends research, find trends, and popular trends are the keywords that I use. So all I did was click this button that says enter keyword topics, give it 3 examples, and now it's spit out all of these different keywords that I can use to create content about, content that's going to make me money online. So what you can see is not only do we get keywords here, but we get to see how many monthly searches these keywords get, and we can actually organize this data by monthly searches. We can also see the average cost per click for these keywords, and if we just highlight this column here and click this button, we can actually see the difficulty of each of these keywords if we were to create content for it, and that is the importance of using ShineRanker. But before we get too carried away, while this tool is updating this, I have some steps to show you here if this is something you are excited about. So again, I want to show you how to earn at least $100 per short form video using AI. Now, I do want to preface this by saying this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is not like an overnight process. You will have to get started and start from scratch, but I want to kind of show you what's possible here. So here at ShineRanker, we've been using this process to earn, on average, over $7,000 per day. You can see this is a daily snapshot from about a month ago, and on this particular day, we earned $9,333. But I want to show you something more relatable. So the first thing I want you to do is comment yes if this is something you're excited about. Just leave a comment on the video telling me yes that you want more information about this process. But if you're a beginner and just getting started, this is probably more realistic. This is my ThriveCart dashboard. This is one of my affiliate dashboards for one of the tools that I promote as an affiliate. In this case, ShineRanker and the different courses that Chase offers along with the tool itself. So you can see that last month I earned $894 in commissions, almost $900 in commission, and did over $2,000 in sales just by sharing a link online, literally by creating short form content, just like you see here on the ShineRanker channel itself. Here where you can see we use this process. I use this on my own channel, we use this on the ShineRanker channel. This is the same process Chase uses on his main channel, and you can see that these videos here are starting to get a couple thousand views each, and they don't always. You could see a lot of these videos have views in the double digits. Some of them get a few hundred views, but again, these videos take about 5 minutes to create. So even if you get a few hundred views, that's still a pretty good deal. And we've used this to grow this account to 428 subscribers, almost 500 subscribers in the first month or two since we really started publishing content here. So this absolutely works for beginners, and like I said, whether you want to make a few $100s per month in commissions or you want to make a few $1,000s per day, this process is how you're going to do it. So start by commenting yes down below, and then the next thing you're going to want is the tools themselves. So if you don't have ShineRanker already, head over to shineranker.com and grab the tool. You could try it free for 10 days if this is completely brand new to you. If this isn't brand new and you've already activated your trial, I do recommend grabbing the annual subscription, because you're going to save a lot of money that way. You're going to be able to get a year's access to the tool for about the cost that most other companies charge monthly for tools that do similar things. So then you also want to join the Facebook group. I'll leave a link to that right below this video. And inside the Facebook group, you'll just get to see how other people are using this tool to make money, as well as contribute yourself and participate in the different contests that we have going on and everything like that. So how does this actually make money, right? How do we go from videos to commissions or to income, right? If you have a business yourself, if you are a local business, a brick and mortar business, or an online store, or you sell courses, then you already have something to sell. But I'm kind of speaking here to the people who don't, because it's the same process, right? Regardless of what kind of company you are, you could be a lawyer, you could be a landscaper, a plumber, a roofer, an internet marketer, it doesn't matter. You're going to have your channel here, you're going to have some content, but how do we get people from this content over to the affiliate link. Well, that's what I want to show you here. And you can grab 50 different tools here at scarytoolbots.com. Now, this is a good time to tell you that if you want to promote ShineRanker, if you really love the tool as much as we do, you can come down here to the bottom of this homepage at ShineRanker.com and click this purple button that says Become an Affiliate. You'll get a dashboard that looks exactly like this. You'll get an affiliate link to promote, and you can start seeing affiliate commissions come in from people buying ShineRanker through your link. But now if you don't want to promote ShineRanker, or if you want more than one tool to promote so you can get multiple streams of income like this coming in, you're going to want to head to scarytoolbots.com. Because at scarytoolbots.com, you'll put your email in this box and you can download this list of over 50 different tools, AI tools and automations, bots and software programs and things like that that you can actually promote to make money online, again, just by sharing a link. So that's kind of an overview of the process and everything you need to get started. That's what we've covered so far, is what you need to get started, the tools, and like I said, let us know that this is actually something you're interested in. So now we're going to kind of get into the meat of it, and this is what you saw me doing at the beginning of the video, which is finding trends using ShineRanker. So all I did here was come into the ShineRanker tool, click this button that says keyword research, and then like I said, I gave it 3 examples of what I wanted. So in this case, we have trends research, find trends, and popular trends. And some of the difficulty scores are still missing there. So if we just stop it and maybe it'll update for us, we'll give it another second. But basically what you want to come down here and do is find the easy ones. Here you can see this one is a difficulty of 2. Most searched keywords gets 390 searches a month, but only a difficulty of 2. So if we compare that to the other difficulty that's showing here, most searched words on Google, now that has a difficulty of 271. It gets a few more searches per month, but very difficult. So between those two, we would definitely want to target this one. But there's pages and pages of this information. I'm not sure why the difficulty is not pulling in right now, but you get the idea. You'll want to come through and use these keywords. Now there's a ton you can do with this tool that I can't all fit into this tutorial, but for example, if you wanted to track these keywords, you could just click this check mark and add them to a project so you'll be able to track them over time. And a lot of other cool stuff. You can use it to audit your entire website using this tab. There's actually a built-in content editor, but what I want to show you now is what to do next once you find one of these words. So if we come back here to page 1, like I said, say we wanted to target most searched keywords. Let's just copy this, and then if we come over here to ChatGPT, here I have a little prompt set up already. Write me 10 TikTok video scripts that promote an SEO tool called ShineRanker, targeting the following keyword. So then we'll just paste that keyword in there and click start. So what this is going to do is, in a matter of seconds here, it's going to spit out 10 different TikTok scripts that we can use to, again, create TikTok videos or short YouTube shorts or Instagram reels, right? It doesn't matter where we post this content. And if we take a look here at the list, if we skip a step, well, we're actually not. We found the trends, now we're creating the content. But if we jump ahead here to the last step, you'll see that it's to post on all social media platforms: YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. There's also Pinterest, Snapchat. The more places that you can post this content, the better, because again, the more chances you have of one of these videos popping off and getting 1,000 views or 10,000 views or hundreds of thousands of views, as is often the case with our content. And again, that's how you're going to drive thousands of dollars in sales per month or even per day, depending on what level you're at. And again, this is the income from ShineRanker and Chase's work as a whole. There's a team behind this. It's not just me, which is why I'm showing you both ends of the spectrum, right? What you can do with a team behind you and with a lot of experience versus what you could do starting off on your own, which is kind of what I've been doing here with this affiliate stuff before I started working so closely with Chase and the team here at ShineRanker. But anyways, I hope this gives you an overall summary and a clear, crystal clear picture of exactly how this process works, how we post the content, people see this content, and then they take action and they go from the content over to an affiliate link that makes us money. So we can see here that this has already generated us 10 different scripts, and now all we have to do is pretty much read these aloud on TikTok. And if we don't like these, we could just ask it to repeat. We could just literally copy this and say, make them longer. You know, it's that simple. So here's another example of what you could do with AI. I'm actually going to create the thumbnail for the video you're watching right now just by clicking enter. What I did here is type a 1-sentence script. It's a bit of a mouthful, but here it is. Imagine a hyper-realistic humanoid money-making robot with glowing purple eyes and accents winning the jackpot at a slot machine against a plain white background. So similar to the images you see above, here you can see I asked it to create me a bot for the last video I made, and I'm just doing that process once again. So the interesting thing about this is completely unique content that we are watching be created before our very eyes. So this has never been used before. This image has never even existed before I created it and turned it into a thumbnail. So this is how you can use these tools to save time, and you can actually implement them for yourself to create more content in less time, and ideally make more money in less time. But the secret is the thing that a lot of people are leaving out these days is that AI is trending so hard right now that all you really have to do is talk about these tools to make money. And ShineRanker can help you do that by finding the trends and the keywords that are actually getting searched the most. So we could refine this if we wanted. We could type in like SEO tool and SEO tools and SEO dashboard. And now we're going to get kind of different variations of keywords that are specifically around SEO tools. So that's kind of going to refine this further, and then we can just repeat the process with the new keywords we find and put them here into ChatGPT. So you can see the tool's already found us 250 additional keywords, and it's still going from there. Now 500, probably find us about 1,000 different keywords, and now you can see the difficulty score is actually popping in here for most of these. So all we'll do is come through. Once this tool finishes, you can see it's already found 1,000 keywords. Once it's done, we'll scroll through and find the easiest ones and then repeat the process. So here's one right here, Google Webmasters tool, 9,900, almost 10,000 searches a month with a difficulty of 5. Looks like it's updated there. It's still finding more keywords, but there you go, Google Webmasters tool. So if we copy that, again, we could just come over here and say, write me a YouTube short script about the keyword, bam. And we can specify that that's the keyword there. So we'll go ahead and let it start. And there you go, right in front of you, it's writing us video scripts that we can use to create content. So this really takes all the thinking out of it. It takes the hard work. No more staring at a white screen thinking about what you're going to type or what you're going to say in your video. And you can really take this as far as you want, right? There's tools that are going to create videos for you that can use stock footage. You can use AI voices on your videos, whatever you want to do to streamline this process. And the best place to get these tools, like I said, is at scarytoolbots.com, because you won't have to spend time searching for Google for every single tool you want. You know, you don't have to go to Google, what tool will let me automatically post to Facebook? How do I add a chatbot to my website, right? You won't have to do any of that because you'll have 50 of the latest AI and automation tools right here at your fingertips at scarytoolbots.com. So that is the basic process that we've been using and I've been using personally to generate at least $100 per short form video, right? And that's an average because, like I said, you know, sometimes you'll post videos and they'll get 16, 29, 18 views. Other times you'll post videos and they'll get 2,000 views or 10,000 views or 100,000 views. But the point is, these videos take a very, very short amount of time to make, and even if you just make one sale, that's going to be probably $100. So if you can get one sale per video, then you can be making $100 per short form video, and then ideally you'll be able to scale that to much more than $100 per video, as we are doing here as a team. So anyways, I hope this helps. I hope you grab the tools at scarytoolbots.com. Get your ShineRanker account so you can figure out what people are actually searching and what they're spending money on. And I can't wait to see you making money using short form video and AI. If you like this content, do me a favor, click the bright red subscribe button down below so you don't miss the next video that's coming out. I hope to see you inside the Facebook group where we can get to know each other better and learn more about the tool and making money online. And other than that, take care everybody, and I will catch you on the next video.